Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly, and on this channel I typically do cleaning videos, organizing videos, and occasional grocery or shopping hauls. Today I am joining in on the open collaboration for the grocery haul, and this is a Walmart grocery haul. I just went the other day, so I pulled everything out to hurry and show you guys. And just so you know, my budget is usually about $160, and this time I think we spent like $174, I think, so we did go a little bit overboard. But I do use the Ibotta app, so I always save money, and I don't know why I didn't have that sooner. It honestly, I was able to do an awesome giveaway for my 100th subscriber milestone, and it just really adds up quickly because you're just getting so much cash back on things that you normally would buy. So let's get into this. Don't forget to subscribe below, give this video a like, especially if you are coming from the other channels on this live collaboration. Let me know where you are from, some other great YouTubers that you follow. I would love to check them out as well. So I got some bread. I always get the Sara Lee whole wheat. I like the taste of it. I did get an onion, just one of the sweet yellow onions. Is it just me, or is it really hard to find onions that are not going bad no matter where I shop? Got these whole carrots. I want to try and get my son to eat more carrots, and I like these ones the best. I think they're sweeter, so we're gonna try that. I got a head of broccoli. I got an artichoke. I've never made one before, but I really wanted to try to do something with it. So I do like artichokes, but I've never made one. And then some asparagus. So I'll probably roast the asparagus and carrots together and have it with like chicken or something along those lines. And then also for the veggies, I just got this package of corn. It was a lot more expensive this way, but I just don't have time in the grocery store. I want to get in and out, and this is like perfect for me. I got a whole bunch of these pouches. I thought I would just pull 2 of them out. I like them. They're by Plum Organics. This one has strawberry, banana, Greek yogurt, kale, and amaranth oat. I don't know how to pronounce that. And this one has banana, blueberry, sweet potato, carrot, Greek yogurt, and millet. So I just really like, and this also has, yeah, sweet potato and carrot. I just like it. It's like the only way I get his veggies in. I try to introduce them, but it just doesn't seem to work half the time. I also got some mild cheddar cheese, some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. It's so good when you, like with tacos or fajitas, it's so good when you shred it. And I'm going to be making some of the frozen yogurt bark that Tiffany Beeston does on Beauty and the Beestons. I've got strawberries and blueberries and bananas I'm going to cut up in it as well. Let me know if you want to see me making it. I also got the Viva low-fat cottage cheese. I love to have cottage cheese for my lunch. It has a lot of protein, and I just add some fruit in there. I already went over that. Then I got just some eggs. I used to eat a lot more eggs than we are right now, but just like to have at least a dozen on hand. A big thing of blueberries. My son loves blueberries. Just about there, right when they get super ready to go, I'm going to pop them in the freezer. And then I did get some baby yogurt. It's organic by Stonyfield. This is the apple and blueberry. He just was on antibiotics, so I wanted to jack up his probiotics because his stomach got ripped to shreds. I really love sweet tea. These were on sale and also on the Ibotta app, so you best believe I got me some sweet tea. These were only like 70 something cents, I think like 76 cents. And my boyfriend plays softball and he loves the Powerade, so got a lot of those. Got a big pack, the 40 pack of the water. I am on a hazelnut kick. I was doing the French vanilla, but now I just cannot get enough of the hazelnut. So I got my boyfriend the small one of the French vanilla. He doesn't drink as much at home as I do. And I got me the big hazelnut. I did get a thing of chicken that we already used, and then I got this ground beef, but I'm realizing now that the package had opened, so I don't think it is good to eat, because it's like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see like the blood in there, and I just don't think we're gonna eat that. Don't mind my messy. We did get strawberries. I already cut them up, but we did get these. They were on the Ibotta app as well, so I thought I'd get some cash back on there, get him some more yogurt. This is the berry, and also the banana. Oh, and I always get like the whole milk, and then we get 2% milk into this stuff. So we got a pack of Coke, some Doritos. I try to be healthy, but this is just what we do. And we love to have these with like chicken or steak, pork chops. This is really good flavor, the creamy chicken rice pack. Also, my son loves Mexican rice, so gotta get some of that. Wheat thins, so they can have some whole grain crackers. This creamy beef stroganoff from Velveeta is so much better than the hamburger helper. If you like stroganoff, it's super easy and really good. Then I like the beef pasta of the hamburger helper. I'm gonna have to buy more hamburger, but whatever. And then we like just the traditional Prego. Some raviolis, and I did get SpaghettiOs as well for my son. This is the home style Alfredo. I love to make a chicken Alfredo in the crock pot. And I wanted to make some mac and cheese, so I got some elbow noodles. These I already took out of their packages, but I really like the Sunbelt raspberry whole grain bars. And then I just got the blueberry fruit grain bar in the Great Value brand. I swear I'm forgetting something, but that is pretty much everything that we got. Give this video a like if you liked it. Let me know where your favorite place is to shop. Some great deals that you have found. Also, check my link below to save on Ibotta. I believe if you use my link below, we both get points, so it's a win-win. It's free to download. I honestly don't know why I didn't do it sooner. I'm like telling all of my friends and family, you better download it because you're throwing away money if you don't. Because you literally you can use it for places that you're already shopping. So it's not like you have to go out of your way, spend extra money to get it. You're already spending this money and you're just getting extra money back. So it's really great app. I downloaded it from Amber. I like put it off and put it off, but I was watching one of her videos on Am Bam's life, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna check it out. If I don't like it, I'll delete the app. I'm obsessed. It's so good, so make sure you check it out. Also, I have my Grove link below as well if you need some cleaning products and want a 5-piece set for free with a purchase. So check that out as well, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you join my family. I love this YouTube community, but anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.